it is Friday afternoon and I'm feeling great right now. Yesterday I vlogged and I was in a really bad mood. Some stuff went down and it just really got the best of me and I didn't vlog much, so we're just gonna start all over. I'm actually at my sister's house, picking her up for some coffee, and then I have a doctor's appointment, and then I need to go to my grandma's. So, got things to do, and you guys are coming with me. This moment, I am so happy. My sister's with me, and I haven't been vlogging because I've been having too good of a time with her in the moment. Oh, Amanda, I got this too. This hairspray, I want to try it.
Okay, well, I have a finish.
Yeah, I need to talk to you guys. So, basically, we went to Starbucks afterwards. After I picked her up, went to my doctor's appointment. And I'm so happy. Those of you that know that I have health issues and I struggle with chronic pain daily, the doctor finally agreed to give me long-term pain medication. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. I am so happy right now. So it's a prayer answered because I really have been needing this for a long time. And my sister says she was praying the whole time I was in the doctor's office. So Amanda wants her hair to be ombre. Not necessarily what my ratchet color is like right now, because it definitely needs to be touched up. So I'm going to show her what I use to achieve my homemade ombre look. For the roots, I use a dark brown. But because your hair is already, it's virgin hair, I would just do the bottom half, which is going to fry the heck out of it. So what I use to do the bottom half, it's a highlighting kit, and you just put it on the ends of your hair, like basically. And that's what I do to get my blonde. But I need to get it done professionally, like I really do.
But I wanted to, but honestly, I don't want to spend money. I know, I'm not gonna do it right now. I don't want to spend money on
even though I could do it for you, I say you wait. Oh, and then show them what I gave you. Why is it all blurry? I was too close.
Oh my god, guys, you don't even know.
Loving your messy bun.
She gave me
a bag full of like random makeup
lipsticks and the eyeliner. The eyeliner I like.
Oh, good.
So these, look how cute those colors are. Those are super freaking cute. Like
I won't use those at all. Okay, so Alicia, I didn't know that Amanda had her license.
That's so sad.
So congratulations. When did you get your license?
I got it like 2 months ago.
What?
No, 2 months ago. Yeah.
Because the last time I saw her, she hadn't even got her permit yet. And she kept on saying right now, let me drive. And I'm like, heck no, girlfriend. You're not driving. And she's like, I have my license. I'm like, what?
I don't have the song.
Oh, hold on, because it's Justin Bieber.
I could have sworn you knew, man.
Yeah, so I had no idea that she had her license. This is such a big, proud moment for me. I cannot believe she's grown up. Like, you're literally full-on adult now. How did that happen? That is insane to me. I do remember the very first time I met you. Because if you guys are new to my vlogs, we're half sisters. We have different moms. But she was born when I was 14. And I just remember the way you smell. Like, that's all I remember. You don't smell the same way anymore. Like, you know how everyone has their scent, you know, it's not like gross. Like, everyone has a distinctive smell to them. And she had this specific smell to her. It wasn't a bad smell, it was her smell. Yeah. So, smelly girl is driving my car. Okay, come on, leave in the comments if you know what I mean. Like, Marcus sometimes would tell me I missed your scent. Like, everyone has a smell.
Oh my god! I never even knew that. I never knew that about you.
Yeah, like that's one thing I distinctively remember, like the way she smelled as a baby.
How did I smell?
Almost like baby lotion.
Oh, okay.
Like Johnson baby lotion.
I was little then, right? Like,
oh, you were a baby.
No, remember when we took those pictures on the balcony in that one house and you?
Oh my god! Remember we did the star shot pictures?
Oh my god!
We did that too. I haven't.
I think my mom has some.
Oh my gosh, who remembers Star Shots? That's like way early 90s.
With that background?
Yes, the blue background. Both of us had curly hair, and my hair was literally splitting the Red Sea. And my part was down the middle, splitting the Red Sea. I was thinking I looked good, and I was a heifer in that picture.
No, I remember that.
I have one of those Star Shot pictures with Marcus too, and in the picture it looks like my brother and sister. It is so stupid. It is so dumb. It's embarrassing. One time I found it.
Those are what cholos and cholas used to do back in the day.
Yes.
Star background.
And then because they would blur your face out so much that you looked, and then your eyebrows would be like all on fleek.
You looked all fake.
All penciled in. Oh my god, that was back in the day.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. Okay, you drive like me so far. That's alright. Are you comfortable?
I love this car, dude. I love it. Like,
it's very comfortable.
It's very like. It's
yeah.
very. You can have so much control in it.
Okay, so I'm like getting sleepy from my new medication. So I went from being like out of 10 to now like
hype to like.
Yeah, I'm totally like out of 3, but I feel fine. I'm just like kind of sleepy.
Dude, I have like line hair compared to you. What the heck?
What?
My hair's like crazy.
Do your selfie. It looks so small next to you.
Just because we're back.
So now we are gonna cheer ourselves up by. Okay, be careful. So go into that little island.
I know, but I gotta.
We're gonna treat ourselves to some getting our brows done because my brows need to get done. Big time. We both are bushy brows, so it's time to get them eyebrows on fleek. Fun fact: Usher is playing right now, and Amanda was saying he's like, "This is such an old song." He was the first
concert you've been to.
Yeah, when I turned 15, my cousin Nani took me to see him and Mary J. Blige. She was there to see Mary J. Blige, and I was there to see Usher. And at the time, her opinion was, who is this little kid? Like, get him off the stage. Turns out, it was Usher. The man, Usher. So yeah, just a fun little fact.
I should have fit with that.
And then the jam just came on, and she's having a freak out moment.
I didn't need the pain.
I don't know. It's not one of my favorite songs.
I just went in the middle of the line.
You're good. She's been doing good at driving. She's actually a better driver than me, so give her that much. But if you know me, you know that I'm not that good of a driver. I drive pretty recklessly. So reckless. So I just got my brows done, and I think they look really good. Amanda's getting hers done now too. And here she was telling me my eyebrows they need to get done, but they look so much nicer and cleaner. I feel so much better when your eyebrows are done. Don't move. You got chola eyebrows.
I know, that's what I said. My eyebrows are super.
Do you need to let them grow out?
I try and I can't.
I leave some here. That's
yeah.
So
That's
next
some,
time.
Yeah.
Hey, our eyebrows are looking good now. So all day everyone keeps thinking that she's older than me. And here I am a lot older than her. Thank you. I'm definitely gonna come back. You like your eyebrows?
I do like them.
I have a pro like straightener, so I would go with Connor. Like Connor is my go-to as far as like curling irons go with. She's gonna get baby lotion so that she can smell the way she used to smell like when she was a baby.
I'm gonna get this big old bottle because I want to smell like baby again.
Okay.
Alright.
So be it. Whatever. It's your body. You do whatever you want with your lotion. What is going on with the Walmart over here? The makeup selection is awful.
Look at everything right now.
Everything's missing.
Everything out.
Ooh, I like those palettes. We're at Target now.
Ooh.
Oh no, Amanda. Seriously? I just gave you lippies.
I know, and I want to get these are browns. These are pretty.
Alright, I'll go through what I have. It's a neutralizer one. And you're my exact same skin tone. Do they have it? They don't have it, huh? It's just called neutralizer. Neutralize. Yeah, neutralizer. 150. They don't have it. Amanda, I'm mad at you. You're buying lippies and I gave you like 3. You do not need those.
I like that red one. That red one was pretty.
Fine. It's your payday. You treat yourself. Oh my God, we've been here the whole time and we didn't even get the gift. What is going on? I need everything because I'm gonna be moving. Oh, let's look at the hair straighteners. I'll just show you.
Showing?
Just showing you. I would go with the Conair pink one. What's the difference between the pink one and the blue one, the black one?
Let's see.
That one looks like it would be good.
This pink one, huh?
And
then I like the clasp.
I do too, but let me see. It's ceramic. It's the width. What's the width on that one? The width on this one is 3/4 inches.
1 inch.
Oh, then you want the 1 inch. Put one of the lippies back. You're already treating yourself. You got your brows.
That's the one that I wanted to go to.
I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm at Nana Shot, our cousin.
That's when even Portland people were telling me about that shit.
A Friday night out. I got Steph and Ricky. Nana, Marcus, and the Mija. And wings and things, you know it. Damn, those are bomb. Those are all yours, huh? I thought you liked them without the bone. You probably could have asked. If you wanted the ranch, you could have it.
What is it, Steph?
What? It's blue cheese. Don't leave. Charlie. What?
Wait for me.
Oh, wait for what?
You're gonna get
What's the Lakers?